Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful buttercream rosewell cake. The nozzle I am using to pipe the swirls is a star nozzle 1M. I simply apply pressure in the middle of where I'd like my rolls to start and begin to slowly pipe in an outward swirl motion. I'm using quite a large piping bag, so to make it easier, instead of using my wrist to pipe the swirls, I am moving my whole hand to get the swirl effect. So as you can see here, I put the nozzle where I'd like the rolls to start and begin to apply pressure. And then instead of moving my wrist in a spiral motion, I'm moving my whole hand. It makes it a bit easier to get that rose effect. I just then continue all the way around the base of the cake. Now for the second line, instead of piping them directly above the line below, I pipe it in between the gaps of the rose swirls. Right where the two at the bottom meet, that little corner space is where I start the second line of rose swirls, and then continue that line and pattern in each gap all the way around the cake. So they're slightly overlapping but not too heavy. Continue this motion until the whole cake is complete. And then finish off with the crown.
That is beautiful. I want that for my birthday.
Very nice.
That is so nice.
Yeah, come for me.
Excuse me. Did I make you a cake one yet?
No, that is pretty still.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.